Kelewu, yeah? The last time I tested a drink like this was 3 years ago when you returned to take your chieftaincy title. And I know this is a very rich, nutritious drink.
Uncle, that is because you don't visit me often. I have a lot of these assorted drinks in my bar. If you had been coming to visit, I know my mother will give you some. These drinks are expiring in my bar. Nobody to drink them.
We will deal with it too. But for now, I have so many problems bothering me. That is when immediately I heard you in town, I decided to rush down to see you.
What is it this time?
My brother, my son, my two sons, Eze and Obi. The way they are roaming around this village is giving me concern. Doing nothing meaningful. That is why I've come to beg you, please. If there's anywhere you can fix them, for them to make out something good with their life, please.
Uncle, I've heard what you said. I'll give it a thought. Don't worry. I will give you feedback before I leave for the city.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I'm happy, I know.
Have your drink.
Thank you. Oh, and the mother.
These projects will cost a whole lot of money to execute. And I can tell you with confidence that Imoke Town Union does not have that type of money to execute such projects. So we must look out for any means of getting money to be able to see that these projects are achieved.
Yeah. Igwe, Onu is right. The money we are talking about, it's a big money. 10 million naira. Where can we get that kind of money? We don't have it. And what?
So, what are we all suggesting that we do? Should we leave our community school block the way it is? That community school block is deteriorating day by day. And we cannot allow it to collapse just because the government decided to pay deaf ears to our petitions. What if the block collapses when our children are learning inside the class? Huh? It might be your children. It might be your own children. It might even be your own children. Or no. No. It's not the matter of Tufiakwa. We need to tackle the issue now. We need to do something about it.
I think while we are deliberating on the primary school budget, let us not forget the town union hall. The hall needs to be reconstructed. The walls are all cracked because the blocks are so weak. Talking about our children, what of our own life is also at risk.
Igwe, Ndiche, why can't we go and visit Anache? I heard he returned today. At least we can go and ask him for some assistance. Any amount he gives to us, then we can look for somewhere else to complete it. At least. But as he just arrived today, we can give him time for him to rest. Then tomorrow, we can go and see him.
Chenduka, you are very correct. That young man, Anochie or Dimbasa, he has been doing great things in this community, which all of us know. I believe he will still assist in any way he can. if we can still go to him.
And that's the more reason I am not even considering meeting him. Because he has already done enough for this community. Let us not forget in a hurry that he was the one that persuaded the government to build hospitals for us, construct good road for us, and even electricity. He was also the one that single-handedly built St. Andrew's Catholic Church Parish House, which is the only Catholic Church Parish House that we have in this community. So I don't want it to be as if we are laying a lot of burden on him. I suggest we rally round, task ourselves, do some donations, and do this project ourselves.
How can we do that? We know that we do not have the funds. No matter how much we task ourselves, we cannot raise the money to do this project. We're talking about life here. Igwe, Anoche has never complained.
Yes.
Anytime we go to him for assistance, he is a son of the soil and he's always happy to do for his fatherland. So like Ichie has said, he just came back today. Let us let him rest. So that tomorrow we visit him and table our matter. Yes. He just might touch his heart to do something. I've finished.
I know that your uncle was there.
Yes.
So what does he want? What did he come for? What was his mission? He came. What is it?
Mama, he came in respect of his two sons, Eze and Obi. He wants me to assist him to better their lives.
Again, he came in respect of his sons, Eze and Obi, so that my son would better their lives. What is it? Is that the reason they wouldn't allow you to land first? At least get seated in your home first that you came back. Eh? Is that the reason they will be chasing you like a lizard that was being chased by a snake? Eh? Why can't they just give you a breathing space? Because you have money. Okay, you have money. Let's take it that my son is not rich. Would they be following you like a stream that flows endlessly without stopping? No, they want to suck you. They want money. That's why they're after you. And you think I will allow that?
But mother, is there anything wrong if I assist my cousin?
Everything is wrong with it. Anochienwam. What is it? Why can't you see what I am saying? Or feel what I feel? You don't want to express it? I don't want you to express it either. What? Anochienwam. This was exactly the way they fixed a pipe into your father's veins and were sucking him. They kept sucking until they drank my husband to death. Now you want me to allow that happen again? I won't allow it. I won't allow you to suffer the same fate as your father did.
But mother, I am not my father. I am Anoche. Mother, believe me when I say no one can drain my ocean of wealth. Trust me, I know what I am saying.
Yes, no one will drain your ocean of wealth. But when you keep giving them the chance and the opportunity like your father did, they will keep draining it. They will drain it. But I won't allow them to affect you. I finished.
Papa, welcome. How was it?
No, you wasted time. You would have gone to the main road to ask me. I will not sit down before you ask me anything.
Papa, sorry. Please sit down.
That's better, thank you.
Papa, how did it go?
Obiakwankeya. Obiakwankeya, is that what you're supposed to tell me first?
Sorry, Papa. Papa, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So what did he say?
We don't have a positive answer yet. He told me he would think about it. Then he will get back to me before he go back to the city. That's what he said.
Papa, there is hope now. Since you have already agreed to think about it, so that means there is hope.
I hope so too.
Papa, what is there to think about? Tell me. What is there to think about? Look, he has the money. So why don't you just say yes?
You think it's that easy? He has the money. Why don't you say yes? Anything that Okwego Anahasaya O, anything that involves money wants to think as a man.
Papa, don't mind him. Don't mind him.
About every time you not relax as a man, always in a hurry.
You should always learn how to talk to Papa.
Eze, I'm not in your mood, please. Yeah? I'm not in the mood, because...
Ichenduka, judging from what Igwe said earlier this morning, I believe he was right. We are putting much burden on this young man, Anochie. He did not commit any crime by becoming the most influential in this community. Huh?
It's here. Do you know why God gave him that money? It's for him to make sacrifice to help our community. I heard that the man had a very big money in the city. So allow him.
The fact that he has so much money should not be the reason for us to disturb him enough. Let me ask you, are we sure this time around he will accept to do something?
Ichie, leave that. Till tomorrow, we will find out whether if he can or not. Yes.
Okay. I wish you people good luck. Like you said, though, tomorrow we go and try and see what happens.
Yes, he will do it.
Hello, beautiful maidens.
Good day, sir. Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you doing?
We are fine.
You're looking so beautiful. Three of you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Can I see you?
Of course.
No, not you. Not you. I'm talking about the maiden in the middle.
Me?
Yes. Come.
Yes, sir.
My name is Anochie Ezekwesiri. I guess you know me.
Yes, sir.
You know my house, right?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to see you later. Make sure you come visit me, okay? Okay.
All right, sir.
All right. Move on.
I don't want you to see him. Am I clear?
Yes, my princess.
My princess.
You don't look happy. What is troubling your heart?
You know you taste very, very good. Wow. So when am I going to have a taste of you again?
Whenever you want, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Yes. I want you to have this.
All this for me?
Yes, and this one, I want you to use to get yourself a very good phone. Make sure it's an Android phone, where I can call you on video.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, this is my card. Have it. Make sure you always call me with that card.
I will, sir.
Come. Do you know that you're so sweet? Just as if you've never done this before.
Yes, sir. It's been long since I last did it.
Right?
Yes, sir.
I can see that. Wow. I can't believe girls like this still exist in this dispensation. Come on. Ah.
What? Is she insane? When she returns, tell her I want to see her. Okay. She will have me to confirm with. Did you hear me?
Yes.
I want you to stop crying.
Thank you. Thank you. Chinwe, what is it now? What is it and what is that look on your face?
Chinwe, you're in a very hot soup right now. I heard the princess narrating everything that transpired between you and Anochi to the queen. From the look of things, my dear, the queen is very, very angry at you.
But it's not my fault that Anochi chose me over the princess now.
Eh? They're not talking about who is wrong or right here. From the look of things, my dear, the princess has eye on Anochi. I'm telling you the fact. So, what will you do now? Just find a way. Find a way and clear your mess up.
So what should I do now?
And I don't know. And this one, your own.
Chinwe! Chinwe!
Where went you this evening?
To see Anoche.
On whose permission?
No one, my queen.
I see. You have really grown wings in this palace. A common maid like you, you not go after me. You even leave the palace without permission. I am going to stop at nothing to make sure you receive your due punishment in this palace. Leave my presence.
Yes, queen.
Do not drag men with presents.
Obi! Obi!
Uju, what is it?
Obi, who ate the last food in the pot?
I did.
You did? Obi, you did? How can you go and eat that food knowing that I've not eaten anything since afternoon? How can you do that?
Oh. You haven't eaten anything since afternoon. And you are talking to Obi that has eaten 1,000,000 times since afternoon. My friend, get inside and stop.
Just look at you. Just look at you. Are you not a man?
I'm a man.
Obi, I ask you, are you not a man? How can you do this? Your mates are out there hustling, making lives better for their families, taking responsibilities in the family. You are here. What you're doing is to sleep, to eat, and to chase village girls. You're not ashamed of yourself.
If I slap you, you attend ancestral meeting.
Come and slap
Oh, you think you're a baby at your age? Are your mates not married? Bearing children in their husband's house and supporting their family. All you do is my friend, get inside and stop disturbing my peace. Look at all those things you have in your chest. You think you're a baby? Small time, all these small.
You can't be a rich man, so somebody can come and marry you.
Soon I'll be a rich man.
Soon.
God knows.
Soon.
I'll be a rich man. But
man.
you, all those small village boys will impregnate you.
See, let me warn you. Better don't try that thing you tried again next time. Don't try it, though.
If you want to eat, come back earlier.
Don't try this nonsense next time. Look at you. All you do is eat and sleep. You're not ashamed of yourself. Nonsense. Now I don't have any food to eat in this house. Because of you.
Let me go inside.
You're not going anywhere. I'm going to disturb you till you give me food. You must give me food today. You must give me food.
The only way you can escape my punishment is by telling me the truth. So tell me, what did Anoche give to you when you visited him?
He gave me nothing, your highness. He only have some few words with me.
Liar! Father, this is what I saw under her bed.
Your highness, I'm sorry. My queen, I'm sorry. Please, it's not what you think. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry.
So you have the guts, the nerves to lie to me.
I'm sorry.
For lying to me, Igbo Gidiga one of Imoko Kingdom. I hereby banish you from this kingdom forever.
Your highness, please, I'm
Never
sorry.
in your... Will you shut up? I'm talking. Never in your lifetime will you set your feet in this kingdom again. Obina, take her away.
My queen, I'm sorry.
Take her out!
Please,
Shut up!
Jesus, please, I'm sorry, your highness, please.
I'm sorry, but wait!
What rubbish. What insolence!
Chinwe, it's okay.
Thank you.
This is the money you asked me to keep for you. It's a huge sum. At least it will sustain you for a while. Just take good care of yourself, okay?
Thank you very much.
May the gods protect you. I have to go now before my notice is being filed. Take care. Bye.
Anoche, I summoned you here because there is something very important I want to discuss with you. As a matter of fact, I I would like you to support us financially in a particular project that we want to embark on, so that we can rally around, task ourselves, and even do 1 or 2 donations and complete the balance of the money.
Igwe, I'm very much aware of the project you're about to embark on. There are some things you do not need to plead over. All you need to do is state it, and I will provide solution to it. I'm very much aware of the borehole project and the primary school block building, right? Yes. Good. Igwe, I have heard what you said. I am going to donate the sum of 15 million naira to that effect. Wow. Yes. I am a true son of Imoko, and I will do anything to make my subject happy.
Did I not tell you? How come you now? Yeah. Anoche, you are indeed a great son of Imoko Kingdom. You are the true son of your father. Look, Igwe, we should give you a recognition that all the descendants of Imoko will see as they grow up to know who you were. Your kind is rare. In fact, Igwe, we should be the statue in front of the town hall. You are indeed a great son of your... Greet him now.
Thank you so much.
I am happy. Your Highness, I cannot afford not to give when I have. Yes, because if I do, it will be a taboo before the gods and wickedness before humanity. I will always give as long as I live. Anyway, I will have to leave. Go well, my Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't worry. Whatever you want, ask Ezekwesi.
Thank you so much.
You see, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. If you seek, you will find. If you knock, it shall be opened. If you ask, it shall be given. But you bellow. Yes, you have to do.
Oh no, my elders, Ezekwesili is indeed a blessing to this community. I'm even considering giving him another title in appreciation of all his good works in this community. Wow. It's indeed a blessing.
Where are you coming with all this plenty corn?
From the farm, of course. And you think I'm that lazy as you are?
Wait. Our farm. Eze, you're becoming lucky these days, oh. Just the other day, if I could remember, your trap caught a very big grass cutter. And now you could come home with these plenty corns. That's impressive. That's nice. Well, bring them inside. Let's roast them before Papa comes in.
Just look at yourself. Look at your mouth. All you know how to do is eat, and eat. Eh? Are your mate not in South Africa? Are your mate not in Malaysia? Making money, helping their family, and you are here in the village doing nothing.
No. You believe you are doing something. Eh? You believe you are more hardworking than I am just because you set traps and keep bushmeat. Look, let me disappoint you. We are both in the same category. We are jobless and we are village champions. Let me disappoint you as well. Just because you catch bushmeat doesn't mean you are hardworking. And that is not a job a young man should engage in. Better come out. Wake up from your dream. And off here.
See, let me tell you. You are the jobless village champion. Not me.
No problem. I agree. Just bring the corns inside. Let us roast them before Papa comes back. I'm not going to cost him. Let's go inside.
See, for your information, don't get close to my corn. I want to take this corn to the market and sell them and use it to buy other foodstuffs that are not in the house. So you better stay away from it.
No problem, I will stay away from your call. Sir, them, eh? Buy other foodstuff, as Papa. Don't get me angry.
I'll be home when you have a problem. Eh?
If you talk me
What?
now.
Hey.
No, Yegi.
I'll be you.
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. It's your fault. Leave him alone. Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, what is going on here? Stop. What is wrong with you? You want to see somebody with class. If you want to see somebody.
Papa, where your son?
What is
Your son?
What is going on?
See, tell him.
What is going on?
Papa, one Obi,
What kind of
one this boy, one Obi.
Eh?
I can't be the only one walking this house. And he's there consuming his own food.
What is wrong with both of you? You are there. You are there.
Papa,
Your mother is not there.
okay, I should enter inside. They will beat me. Do I have any power? I should enter inside the two men's fight.
What happened this time around?
Papa, I went to the farm this morning to cultivate some corn. He suggested that we roast it and eat it. And I declined it. I told him I want to take this corn to the market. I said then I use it to buy other food stuff that we don't have in the house. He went through my bag and started roasting the corn.
Everything, Papa, he ate all the corn. That is the annoying part. Only him. Obi, is it true?
Papa, it's true. But Papa, check here. What is the difference between me eating the corn and him going to sell it to someone who is equally going to eat the corn? I was hungry and I ate the corn.
Look at, which planet did you come from? Just look at yourself.
Your brother, if I help him,
your brother is saying
You can't dare it.
Your brother is saying he will sell the corn, use it to buy food stuff, which will cook in this and he will also eat. It's not making sense to you. All you think is eat from hand to mouth. What is wrong? How can you be a man like that? What kind of man are you? Don't worry. I collected some money from Mazin Duku. That year my supply that he paid me. Uju will go to the market and buy some food stuff.
But it's because of you.
Because of what?
Because of what?
Papa, why your son? I'm respecting you because of my father. Papa, Biko,
Just look at this boy.
This thing I went to buy from the market, you will not eat it though. That one is what you will eat today.
No, you say it's very big.
You will not eat it.
No, you say it's very big.
Boy.
No!
If you try it,
Stop it!
if you dare it,
In my presence? What in my presence? You are very busy in the kitchen. Go into digging gold. You are very busy digging gold. Go inside.
No, Papa, we will build him a chair.
Let
Let him live inside the kitchen morning to night.
only eat. How is this boy going to become a man?
ask him, Papa.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Papa, come and give money to
I can't
market.
just be the only one working in this house.
I'm not eating.
Come, my dear. What is wrong with this boy? It's okay, you know?
Obinna. Pick one guard. I want you both to go with me. I want to move around the kingdom.
Okay, Your Highness. Come with me.
My queen, the king is in peace.
did you say that happened to him?
My queen, on our way coming back to the palace, after walking around the community, all of a sudden he hit his feet against a stone and fell down. We have to rush him home.
My love, honestly, if I had known, I wouldn't have embarked on this walk. Oh.
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry for what's happened to you. But what the gods doesn't know about never happens.
What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that?
Are you insane? What kind of silly comment is that? Are you trying to judge the gods that he's responsible for what happened to the king?
No, my queen, I'm sorry.
If you try to make this comment next time, I will not cease to have your head for dinner.
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry, my king.
Out of my presence.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Get out!
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Oh! You want to kill me before my time, right? You're not even saying anything.
How are you doing?
Me?
What is your name?
I don't have a name, sir.
How possible is that?
Sir, please, I don't have a name.
What does she mean by that?
Maybe because she knows that she doesn't deserve a man like you. Moreover, I'm going to tell my dad about this incident.
Wait a minute. You look so beautiful. Why haven't I noticed you all this while?
Because you were busy staring at my nails.
Oh. You're the princess. Wow. I believe you must have heard about Etiko from your father.
Who doesn't know you?
Wow. Can we meet later in the day? Let's say in the evening.
It's fine. It's fine.
Where actually are you going to? Maybe I can just drop you guys.
No, don't. We are fine.
It's all right. I'll see you, okay? You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Can I have it?
Did you see him?
Yes, I did.
Did you do anything with him?
Yes. And he gave me a huge sum.
That's fine. Now look, I want you to go more close to him. I want you to get pregnant for him so he will get married to you.
My queen, though I pretended to be okay with everything before him, but deep down, I'm not okay with everything. I am not okay with being a second wife. For Christ's sake, I'm a princess.
Dear, you go wrong. We're talking about Anoche here. Your father is not a rich man. He only lives with the little money the government pays him. And don't forget, you are the only child. You have no brother. And the kinship will surely leave this family once he's gone. I want you to have a reservation for your future if you miss this opportunity. Fine, you are a princess. That doesn't mean you get married to a rich man or a prince. No. Even if Anoche gets married to 10 wives, he's capable of taking care of all of them. And don't forget, his first wife is yet to bear him a child. You might be lucky and you bear him one, and the sky will be your limit.
You're right. You're right, my queen.
That's fine. This is all I'm fighting for.
Thank you.
I just want the best for you.
Thank you.
My elders, I know who's supposed to be here, but I asked him to go and do something for me. As a matter of fact, the President General of this community called me and told me that he has received the money in full.
Hey, Anoche mekwala ka o si eme o. Wow. Hey, what could we have done without such a savior in this our community? Hey, Anoche, Ogiwaka o.
Nothing. In short, that boy is a living legend in this our community.
You can say it again.
As a matter of fact, I have decided to give him the most prestigious title in appreciation for all his good deeds in this community.
Yes. Igwe, you are right. That is Ochendo chieftaincy title.
But, Ijia, he merits it.
Yes.
Hey.
In our next meeting, I'm going to send for him so that we will all sit and discuss about it.
Have you heard of the Yusum, our nephew, offered to the community to build town hall and primary schools?
Plus 2 boreholes. Two. Including the 2 primary schools he recently built. That man is trying. He's a very good man.
I've had it to my children, I've had everything.
Yet he refused offering us common 10 million naira to better our lives.
Just 10 million naira.
Eh? Papa, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I told you that Uncle Anoche is being unnecessarily wicked. But all you kept saying was, if I think to make money, it's easy. Now tell me, those ones he's spending in the community, were they easy for him to make? Were they?
Yeah. Don't talk about him like that. That man is a very good man. He's trying.
Who is this one?
Go Guinea. Go Guinea.
Papa, who invited this idiot to our family meeting? Eze, did you invite her? Out. Oh, that's your one leg.
I'm making your sister's hair now.
Come on, leave here. Leave here!
Oh, she's making my hair.
Shut up, man.
Obi,
Idiot.
you touched my walking stick.
Papa, sorry.
How dare you?
For that of anger.
Let this not happen next time.
Obi, don't mind her. Papa, for once I've agreed with Obi. Anoche is just unnecessarily being wicked. Eh? Can't you see it's obvious? Can't you see?
I know about all this. I know. But what option do we have? That's just it.
Papa, you know I'm a wise man. Now listen to this genius idea of mine. I want you to stop going to Uncle Anoche to beg for money. When next you meet him, tell him to lend us money that we will pay back in 2 years' time. Yes, tell him to lend us the money. Come on, 10 million naira. Well, you're going to have 10 million naira. Or this is now you're going to have
Oh, be my brother. Oh, be my brother. For once in your poor life, you have contributed something meaningful.
Is an idiot. Come on, keep those compliments to yourself. I know of you.
Is it because I'm praising you?
Keep them. I don't need them.
Okay. Next time I go to him, that's okay.
This hair now, who will make it safe for me
Make
now?
your
Now
hair
that
yourself.
you make my hair myself.
Yes.
Obi, Genosobi. I think what you said is
Yeah.
We have a land, a genuine land. 1 acre.
Let it bring the 10 million. We need it.
That extra dinner. I'll bring 2 plots. I will 10 million. When you 10 million, that land has to stay. Let's go to new site.
My son, I am here for you to know how important this thing is to me. I know it's not easy to part with money. If I keep asking you to dash me, it might be difficult, but once I show you that I will pay you back, just in a few years' time. Please let my children have something doing. Please.
How much are we looking at here?
Obi is insisting that he wants to go to South Africa. He have the contact. That I don't know. It will take some amount. And then they want to go to Lagos to start trading this Alaba, and some million. I don't know.
Uncle, it's okay. It's okay. I will make do of 10 million naira for you. But it's not going to be right away. If you had come earlier, I would have done that. But I assure you, get it tomorrow morning.
Hey! 10 million! Eh?
That can take your son to South Africa.
Hey!
At least with 10 million naira, Obi can establish himself in Lagos.
Hey! 10 million!
Uncle, your son cannot have a cousin like me and he will go to Lagos and live like a pauper.
Hey!
Let him go and establish himself.
Hey! Thank you very much.
You don't have
in fact, I feel like that's it. Hey! I will come back tomorrow morning.
You don't have the problem.
Let me go and bring the good news to them. Hey! I will be partying in my house today. Hey! You have solved all my life. All is finished. All my life problem is finished. Thank you very much.
He got so much fame, so much power, so much money and so much God. Hey, he's a savior. He's the, hey, make way for the savior. Hey, make way for the savior. Make way for the savior. Hey, make way for the savior. He's the light of the community, great son of the soil.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. The Igwe sent me to tell you that you can visit the palace anytime you want. That he has something important to discuss with you.
Is that right? Tell him I'll come.
Make way for the savior. Oi. He got so much fame, so much power, so much money and so much God. Hey, he's a savior.
He said I should come back again.
What nonsense. Papa, what are all this for? Eh? Brother Anoche is just being unnecessarily wicked. Yet he goes about in the community, painting his image as an angel, living in pretense. But shows his true color to us, his family. Why? What sort of a man is that?
Obi, I have always told you, stop criticizing this man. He's not our father, neither is he from the same womb with us. You need to know this. In life, no one owes you anything. Not even a brother can be held responsible for the welfare of his siblings. We are only asking him for a favor. If he decides to help us, fine. If he decides not to help us, let's take it that way.
What rubbish favor? Eh? Even when we promise to pay him back? Now tell me, all those money he spends in the community, do they pay him back? Do they?
Just look at you. And you think it's easy to make money?
Please, it's okay. There's no need for all this quarrel. Let's wait until I return tomorrow. Let's hear what he will say.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow? The tomorrow that will never end.
Ona the carry go say so. Oh yeah, we'll go. Cool down. Let me go there and come back tomorrow.
Papa, I'm not in that mood.
Your Highness, I thought of coming to visit you today before I saw your guy. Now, reasons I wanted to come is to know how the project is going.
Anoche, the project is moving on well. You know, when there is money, everything will be going on very well. As a matter of fact, the project will be completed even before the expected date, according to him. But he did not tell me the exact date when the project will be completed.
Wow. Good to hear. Good to hear, Your Highness. Your Highness, I want to know the reason the throne demanded for my presence.
Anoche, I have discussed with the elders. And because of your philanthropic nature and your generosity to the people of this community and this kingdom at large, we have decided to give you a title of Ochendu one of this Imoko kingdom, and also because of your dedication to the good works of this community.
Ochendu one. Your Highness, I must tell you that I am happy. My spirit is lifted. I am happy that the people I am serving acknowledge me. This is a motivational thing. This will motivate me to do more for the kingdom. Your Highness, you played a very, very pivotal role in this whole thing. Because of that, I will not hesitate to support the activities of the palace. I have a little token for you. Sly, drop the money back before His Highness. Your Highness, in that bag is 15 million naira, both in naira and dollars. It's for your good works.
15 million naira for me? Anoche?
Your Highness, you deserve more than that.
May the gods bless you. It shall be well with you, my son. You shall never lack, my son. Yo.
Uncle, I have given everything a thought. And I have decided to give you the 10 million naira I promised.
Thank you very much.
But I need a collateral.
Collateral?
Yes, a collateral. You see, Uncle, it's not as if I don't trust your word or I cannot give you that money. But I could remember vividly that your approach was towards a loan deal. And I think a collateral will make it more responsible, more mature, and more legit.
So what would you want as a collateral?
I think that land by St. Andrews will be very good for the collateral. I need that land by St. Andrews as a collateral. And I give you 2 years to pay back my money, else the land becomes mine.
Okay, I will think about it. I'll get back to you.
Make sure you think about it very well.
No one can test, he carried out. He's the great son of the soil.
That Anoche that people see as a god in this community is very different from the perspective people see him from. Yeah.
That brother Anoche is very wicked. He's a very, very wicked man. 10 million naira that he uses anyhow, wastes anyhow in this. We know all how he throws money around now. Hey. Yeah,
Papa, what was your response?
I didn't tell him anything. I told him I would think about it and I'll get back to him in the evening. But something bothers me. Are we sure
we can raise 10 million naira in 2 years' time to pay him back to reclaim our land.
Papa, we need this money. We need it. Don't worry, Papa. Just accept the deal. Yes. I'll use 5 million naira to travel to South Africa. But my brother, Eze, invest the other 5 million naira here in Nigeria. And before 1 year runs out, I'm back with wallet filled with money. And we can reclaim our land and then sort out other deals.
Just look at how it sounds so easy in your mouth. 10 million naira. And you think 10 million naira is just amount of money you can get anywhere.
Easy.
We are talking about 2 years.
Easy. It disturbs me so much that you, my brother, my blood, don't have faith.
Faith.
Eze, have faith and your faith shall save you.
Faithful man.
What is 10 million naira?
But you people are insisting I should take the money.
Papa, collect it.
I will not take much of your time. I can see you're on your way out. I've given thought to the condition you gave, and I agree with it.
Oh, good. So you've agreed with the condition?
Yes.
In that case, you will have to go and come back tomorrow. Yes, I have to contact my lawyer. He needs to be there as a witness. And you also, you have to go and come back with a witness too.
No problem. I'll be here tomorrow. Thank you.
My princess, I'll be leaving for the city.
You mean you're planning to leave me here in the village like one for the city?
My princess, you will not understand. My wife is complaining bitterly. I have to go and stay with her for a while. Else she will journey down here. Trust me.
Okay, it's fine. I understand. So how long do you plan spending in the city?
I'm not really certain about that for now, but I bet you I won't stay more than 2 weeks.
2 weeks? No, that's too much. 2 weeks is just like a whole year without you. I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you more. Don't worry. In no time you see me. Come on.
I'm going to miss you.
My princess. Beautiful.
Thank you, but just promise me that you won't stay up to 2 weeks.
I'll see what I can do.
Alright, because I don't want to miss you for so long.
I have something to show you.
I understand.
What is wrong with you? Are you a kid? Are you insane? Don't you know what is right and what is not? Of what reason will you visit Anochie's house with Obioma after Chinwe's incident? Do you want to lose this great opportunity out of your carelessness? I'm sorry. I don't want to lose it. But I promise you it will not repeat itself again. I'm very sorry. You better be.
I couldn't find anybody that could stand for me as a witness since yesterday. So I decided to come with Eze.
Okay, it's your choice, sir. Anybody can stand as a witness.
Yes, sir.
Let's continue immediately then.
So, sir, please come and sign.
Sign.
Yes, please come and sign. Come and sign.
Morning.
Please, sir, sign here.
Isn't mine?
Papa.
Obi.
Papa.
My father always tell me, if you want to catch a monkey, set a trap with banana. Huh? But if you want to set a trap to catch chicken, that you should throw corn. Huh? Do you know that immediately I mentioned that land to Anoche, he became interested and released the money to us. I can now assure you that your visa will not expire, that you'll be traveling to South Africa in the next 2 days.
Bam. Wait, Papa. Do you mean that he has finally released the money to us just because there is a land as a collateral?
Bam! Exactly.
Kai, can you imagine? I always knew that that man is not what he seems to be.
Exactly.
Papa. Anoche is no longer a child. He should be held responsible for his action.
No problem. He will. But the ball now is in our court. We have to work hard to make sure that before that 2 years, we will raise his money and give him back and reclaim our land.
Papa, only me with 4 months. I pay everything.
Really?
Papa, only me.
Yes, and
Papa, you know me too well. I don't talk much. But as soon as I step my leg into South Africa, Papa Saudi, the rest will be history.
I'm confident. I'm sure that we will make it and reclaim our land.
Oh yes.
Papa, just give me 4 months.
If you no get him money, you no go get him out.
Anoche has picked interest in your daughter, the princess.
Wow. You don't mean it?
Yes.
Since when has this been going on?
For a couple of days now. He has been showering her with gifts and money.
I'm not surprised. Anoche gives freely. And he's a very generous man. Every man in his right senses will want him to be his son-in-law.
Exactly.
The elder says that he's going to come and see me before leaving for the city. Then come back after 13 days before his coronation. I know that when he comes, that he's going to shower me with a lot of gift items. I mean, I know he's going to give me a huge sum.
You know what? Anoche is the second god in this community. This community will not want to lose him, not for any reason.
And everyone in this community wishes he lives forever.
Exactly.
He's a wonderful person.
Make way for the savior.
I received your message, so I decided to come and see you before I travel back to the city. You see, for the remark of the king is indeed a blessing.
You are indeed the son of the sun. You are indeed the son of your father. It shall be well with you. You shall live long in this land of the living.
Scott!
Make way for the savior.
Your Highness, this is your cola. Before I travel back to the city, I am going to wire 20 million naira into your account. Use it to renovate this palace. It's getting old. And buy yourself a new car.
Executive. Eze kwesịrị. Eze kwesịrị. Eze kwesịrị.
Thank you so much, Oga Bali.
I appreciate.
Thank you so much. All right, Your Highness, I will be on my way.
Make way for the Savior. Oi. He got so much fame, so much power, so much money and so much God. Hey, he's a savior. He's the, hey, make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior. Ah, make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior. Ah, he's the light of
Papa, you know it's been 2 days now since Obi left for South Africa. And I'll be thinking that I should go to the city too. I'll look for what to do, to see where God can bless us from.
That's a wise thinking, my son. So when are you planning to go to the city?
Tomorrow morning, Papa.
That's wise thinking, my son. I have so much confidence in you. I know you are endowed with wisdom and intelligence, and I know you will make it. But when you get to the city, do not lose focus. Know that we have debt to pay, okay?
I will never forget that, Papa. And I promise you, I will make you proud.
That is my son. That is my son. May the gods protect you. May they favor you. May they guide you. May the gods be with you in all your endeavors.
It's
Shall be well with you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Papa, let me go now. Papa. Hey.
My son.
Yes, Papa.
If you get to the city, you should be very, very careful. You should remain focused. Eh? Don't join any bad gang.
Not at all.
A lot of things is happening in the city now. Don't forget why you are going there. Eh?
Okay, Papa. Papa, I promise you I will never disappoint you. I will go to Lagos and make you proud.
That's good.
Yes.
Hey, you know what I say?
Take care of Papa.
I will. You want Papa to take care of
You are a big girl now. Come on. Papa, let me start going.
Take journey.
Okay.
Take it easy. Bye-bye.
We are going to miss you.
I'm missing everybody already. Papa, are you hungry now? Should I get your food?
What's keeping these girls?
I don't know, maybe they should be on the way.
Are you sure you contacted?
Yeah, I called them. They should be on the way.
Well, in case of next time, nobody gives ice to billions with it. Do you know why?
No.
Do you know why?
No.
And you want to know?
Yeah.
I have the money to buy every human conscience. I have the money to buy every human's life.
Wow.
So nobody keeps ice to billions waiting. Please, I beg you.
Sorry.
And I don't want to stop loving you.
Oh, thank you.
So, I already ordered 4 pepper soup and some
No,
drinks.
babe, don't worry. We can do the shopping there. We're fine, babe.
Yeah, very sure. Just forget about it.
So you're cool with that?
Yeah,
I
okay.
just
cool
want
with
to
Yeah,
shop
let's
it.
just go.
It's alright. Please, waitress. Yeah, you have to get everything on hold, okay? Please, get everything on hold. Are you happy? I believe every one of you are happy. You're done with shopping, the shawarma spot, and swimming. Well, it's cool. So, well, in addition to that, I want to let you guys know that the money I got, I cannot even finish it till eternity. So that's the more reason why I have to bring him first to come and enjoy with me.
I saw billions.
You know, my friends, they are already enjoying themselves while they came back to Nigeria. So I just came in, so I have to boil this down. I have to turn it. I have to turn it red and blue and black, you know? In addition to what we've done today, I am giving the 3 of you 500,000. You guys are going to know who you're.
Whoa! I saw billions. Say it again. I saw billions. Again, I saw billions. Thank you, baby, so much.
So you guys are happy.
What's I happy? Thank you.
You know what? I believe the next thing should be clubbing, right?
Yes, I saw billions.
Okay, but for then I believe I have a good sound here.
Whoa.
So I want us to dance for like 30 minutes before we go to the club.
Yes. Whoa!
I like this song. You know, those poor people call it one billion.
than that. So, do you know why I play this song? Because I want to have $1 billion.
Whoa.
Not even what am I saying? I have more than $1 billion. I want to be a billionaire in dollars.
Woo!
So let me play this song now. I believe you guys will like it. Are you ready to dance?
We're ready.
So who's gonna rock?
Your girl. Your girl. Girl, I must say you're lucky. I know.
You need to tell how. Eh? How I wish that guy came for me. Huh?
Babe.
We would have feel love. No, but for real, the guy is so cute. He's made. My dear, you better hold him tight.
I'm holding him tight.
I beg you, hold on. If not, another person will help you hold on. Somebody like me, man.
I beg, babe, this will never do. I beg, bring food. I beg, hate you,
You do like food.
I beg.
Everybody see they tell you, my eye is there. I
hold on, where, I beg. Oh my God, babe, like, what that guy, well, even me, my eye. Excuse me.
Uju, do you like this my dress?
It's fine.
I made it myself.
You made it yourself?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
God, are you serious?
I don't like it. Yes, Papa.
Papa, good afternoon.
You will go to Mazaro's house. Tell him that money he's owing me, that I need it now. There's something urgent I want to do with it. That I said you should not come back with other money. Go and come back quickly.
Okay, Papa, I should go now.
Yes, now, and come back now. This one, both of you, don't go down to discussion. Come back,
Papa. Let me escort me now.
Come back now.
Come back quick.
Yes, You're so bad.
Lagos.
You're welcome.
I'm really hungry. I need to eat something before we're able to say anything.
My son. Is there any food in the pot?
There's food.
Get him something to eat.
Uju, I'll see you later.
Papa, I suffered though. Papa, I suffered though. Papa, he deceived me into believing that he owned the shop. Unknown to me that he was never an old man. Papa, I thought that if I could make 5 million naira every year, at least within 2 years we'll be able to pay back Haloche's money. I gave them the 4 million after signing all the necessary paper with the lawyer. Unknown to me that it was all conspiracy. Papa, they fraud me. They fraud me, Papa. They fraud me.
Hey. Oh. You can make your own. Oh, did I offend?
So, what about the remaining 1 million? The remaining 1 million naira from the 5 million?
All the money vanished. I hawk everything hawkable. So I decided to return to the village. No place to stay, no food to eat.
Hi. 5 million.
Lagos was never for me.
At all. Hey. Sorry, it's okay. Eat. They say once there's life, there is hope.
My son, it's good that you came back alive. Onye megide machi ye kwero ndị ụta aka n'anya maka na ọ bụ onwe onye si n'aka. Once there is life, there is hope. You know? Don't worry, eat your food. God will make a way.
5 million naira.
And my land now is at stake. How do we pay? Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. Welcome. Eze, you're thinking too much. Eh? You're thinking too much. I'm sure you've been thinking even while you were in the city. And you couldn't get a solution to this by thinking. This just shows you that there's nothing thinking will do for you. Thinking will not help you. Eh? Calm down now, please.
Uju, I thought I could make it in Lagos. I thought I could make it in Lagos. Look at me, I'm disappointed, Papa.
No.
See, okay, look now. What happened to the land we use as collateral?
Oh, no. Papa is not seeing it like that. He's not seeing it like that. Eh? And besides, Obi is still in South Africa. At least we have some hope. There is still 1 year before the time to pay back comes. So we still have time. Hopefully, something good will come out from Obi's side. Eh?
Obi is in South Africa. We haven't heard from him for a very long time now. Eh? I pray he doesn't suffer the same fate as I did.
God forbid. God forbid. No, now. Our God is not sleeping. We are praying. I believe something good will come out. Eh? Please, stop thinking too much. Please.
I hope so.
Son, why?
Mother, I don't understand. I don't know her reasons whatsoever. But I made her understand that she's going to live in that old mansion for a full year without me stepping my foot there.
That is okay. But very soon, she'll come to apologize to
She
you.
should hold her apologies to herself.
My husband, calm down. You should go freshen up. My queen, you won't believe what happened after you left the house. I don't want to hear what happened. My husband, Anachi, came to the house after you left. And from the look of things, I think he'll be spending a whole year in the village. Why? What happens to his business?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You can go. Okay. Yes. So, I think He will be handling it from, he will control it from here. You see. This is a very big opportunity. And you need to utilize it very judiciously. You need to conceive for him. Yes. Okay, my queen. You can have your drink.
Anochie, the great son of the soil, the Ochendo one of the Moko kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. I must confess, I appreciate the accolades.
You deserve all of it and even more. So, how is the princess?
Well, the princess is very, very fine. Your Highness, I came because I have something very important to discuss with you.
I'm all ears, great son of the soil.
Yes. Your Highness, I'm planning on expounding my investment. And I thought it wise that it would be very wise if the community has a share in the investment.
That's very thoughtful of you, and it is the right thing to do. It's a very good thing to do.
Your Highness, in the next 8 months, I'm planning on building a gas station in this community, as well as a commercial bank. So I will be needing the assistance of this community.
You don't even have to plead. You know, the community will be so glad to render any assistance, as long as it's a matter that concerns you.
Your Highness, I need space. I need plots of land.
Don't just mention it. I don't want to hear it. Were you supposed to beg them to give you a piece of land for you to develop the community with? No. You don't have to beg them for it. This is something you have been doing all alone all these years, without anybody's assistance.
Mother.
What the hell are you talking about?
Mother, you know if I want to take that land by force, I will get it. But I am a man who respects tradition. I had to go through due process. I went to the Igwe to solicit for it.
And what did Igwe say? When going through the due process and through the right way, and after sharing your thoughts with them, what did they say?
Mother, he gave his consent.
Really?
He said anytime, any day, I should point that particular land I want to build a gas station. And the community will be glad to give it to me on a platter.
So when are you commencing the construction? This made me happy.
Well, the company will be coming in 6 months' time or thereabouts.
Good. This is good. This is what I want to hear. I'm happy about this. Yes, I am happy about this.
Mother, you know, it gladdens my heart when I see you smile.
Because I want things done the right way. But this one makes me smile.
Please, every time you're yelling, you're shouting.
No! I don't want anybody to step me on my son. I don't want anybody to step me on my son.
Listen, just calm down and talk to me properly. How many packages does he want? 2. That's fine. And how many do you have with you now? 12. Okay. You were supposed to deliver the 12 to the other guy, right? Okay, this is what you do now. And you have to give 10 packages to James and deliver the other 2 to him. And please, I want to tell you something. You know how I run my businesses. First, collect my money before delivering the package to him. I beg you. Yes, definitely. You get the boss of money before you can deliver. You know, these guys might be dangerous at times. Listen, deliver it, get my money, then deliver the other 10 to, what's his name again? James. Tell him that, In 2 days, you will deliver the other 2 packages to him. And as well, when you're delivering that 10 packages to him, collect my money first. I repeat, my money. You know I don't play with money. Okay. Let's say, let's say in 2 weeks I'll be back. I'll be back to you. It's alright. And please, just take your 10% from the money. Yeah, you don't have to wait for me to get back before you get your 10%. Just take your 10% and I believe you already have my account number. Just forward the rest money to you. It's alright. Be a good boy. Okay.
Babe, should be sleeping by now. Where are you going dressed like this?
I have a business transaction with my friends. Okay? So I need to be there. My presence is highly needed. If I'm not there, the business will never be transacted.
So what do you do for a living?
You just want to know everything about it.
Yes.
You just want to know it all. See what I do for a living is what every other young man who travels abroad does and abroad.
Which is?
Don't worry, when the time comes, you know. Okay? All I just want you to do in this house is just sit at home, eat whatever thing you want to eat. Enjoy yourself. Don't worry when the time comes, you know.
Which is?
Come on. You don't need to know now. When it's time, you know. Okay?
I said so.
You always want to know everything.
Yes.
Don't worry, all you need to do is just sit at home and enjoy yourself, okay? Forget about how the money is coming. What?
Something has been bothering me. For over a year now, Obi left this country to South Africa. And we have not heard from him. What is going on?
I don't know, Papa. Maybe he misplaced our contact.
I don't think so. I don't know why I have this negative feeling.
About what?
About Obi. That something bad may have happened to him.
No, I don't think so. People travel to overseas, spend 10 years, still here they return to their family healthy and hearty. So Obi can be different.
I pray so. I pray that nothing happens to Obi. I pray that Obi should not suffer the same negative fate as you went through. If he does, that means we'll lose the only land we have in this family.
I just pray he's fine and that he returns in no distant time.
I wish there could be another way out.
But why did you plan on expanding your investments here in the community? They have nothing to offer. Yes. Think about it. How many of your people own a car?
There you go wrong, my princess. All I'm doing is not all about now, but it's all about tomorrow. I am trying to show something very significant in this community. That most of our youth doesn't have cars today doesn't mean they will not have tomorrow.
That's true.
I want to bring the eyes of the government down to this community. By so doing, investors will come in, both international and local. Even other people will migrate here to invest. Trust me, in a couple of years, Imoko will not just be a village, but a city.
Good to know you have good plans and visions for our community.
Imoko is my community. By the time I'm through with this budget, my next target is to build a refinery. Employ the youths of Imoko. Trust me.
That's great. That's great. I love it. Nice.
Good afternoon.
Sir, we actually found a land perfectly situated for the gas station.
Oh, good, good. Obina, which of the land is that? Is it any of the community plot of land?
No, sir. Actually, it's a plot of land beside St. Andrew Catholic Church, which your uncle owes. She offer.
Oh.
It's in a very nice and perfect site. It has enough space to contain the gas station. Yeah.
It's okay. I know those plots of land. Young man, I am going to speak with my uncle. Then I will get back to you very soon.
Very well, sir. We'll have to wait for invitation so we can commence work immediately.
Good. All right, I will see you. Oh. Gentlemen and ladies, just relax. My boys will entertain you and give you something to take away.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Although, I think I once discussed with you a few months back that the great son of the soil, Ochendo, was seriously nursing an ambition of bringing a development to this community.
Yes, Igwe, I think I remember you saying such a thing.
Good. He has already started the preparation. And as a matter of fact, some surveillance team and the construction company came into this community this morning for location research.
But Igwe, have they found a suitable place to build a project?
Yes, they did.
They have?
Yes.
Whose land?
Papa, what is this again? I heard your voice in the bush where I went to defecate.
Is it not that idiot? That imbecile called Anoche? He was here. Do you know why he was here?
Why, Papa?
He came here to offer me 10 million naira to forfeit my only inheritance. The only land my father left for me. That he cannot wait for the 6 months to elapse. Can you imagine that?
Ah, Papa. That is not even a bad suggestion. That is a bad idea. Truth be told, our family needs finances more than any other thing right now. And land is even the least thing we should be thinking of. We can even let it go. What is land? If we have money, we can buy as many we want to buy.
The money that was given to you, what were you able to achieve with it? You think it's easy to forfeit land? Had it been my father sold all of them, where will I get land to build this house? I am not selling any of my landed property, and that is final. That is final.
Papa, we, your children, are asking you to sell that land and give us the money to better our lives. Papa, where do you expect to get 10 million naira from after 6 months to refund?
Is it your business? It's my land. I will know how to sort the money to refund him. But I'm not selling my property. That is final. That is final. That 10 million he's offering me, I will not take it. You had 10 million naira. Your body has started dancing as if you're dancing a willow. I'm not selling.
Papa, we need that money, oh. We need that money, oh. 10 million naira is a huge amount. Please, we need it.
That's a question. Thank you so much for the money. But what is it for?
Igwe, I want to ask you for a favor.
You know I can do anything for you, with or without you offering me anything.
I know. But I want you to hold on to that. Igwe. I once lent my uncle Maziofo the sum of 10 million naira, which he promised that he's going to pay back in 2 years. And he used his 7 plots of land as a collateral. Have I done anything wrong there?
Not at all. You've not. You've not done anything wrong.
After a year and 6 months, I didn't see any sign of 20,000 naira from him. Now I want to build something that will benefit the entire community in that land. If you could remember, the construction company and the surveillance team that came the other time, they pointed that same land Maziofo used as a collateral as the best site for the company. I looked at it. I am not a wicked man. I tried to be lenient. And I brought out another 10 million naira and gave it to Maziofo for him to forgo the land so that we can continue with the investment. Igwe, have I done anything wrong?
You've not done anything wrong. Who even said that you did something wrong?
Igwe, did I commit any evil?
You did not.
Igwe, you won't believe that this same man rained abuses on me. He had the temerity to walk me out of his compound. Ayanoche, Ezekwesiri, Oteji Kings is in Imoko. Because I'm being generous.
Alo. Alo. It's an abomination. Why would Ofo do such a thing?
Igwe, it will not take me anything to throw that man behind bars. Just a phone call and he will spend the rest of his life in jail. I'm just trying to be lenient. As a good son of the soil, a child of tradition, I have decided to visit the highest authority in this community. And that is why I am here before you, Your Highness.
Ochendo, thank you so much. You've done well. Thank you so much for coming to me first. I will summon Maziofo to this palace and speak to him in a language that he will understand. Then later I will get back to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, Papa, what did the Igwe say?
What do you expect from a man that had been bribed to stupor? He would definitely speak from the wrong side of his mouth.
Chai. Oh, wow.
Papa, I have said this before, and I will repeat myself. You better accept the offer. Eh? Accept the offer, Papa. People will finally blame you if you lose that land at the same time, nothing to show for it.
Please shut up, my friend. Please shut up. Accept that offer. Accept that offer so that I will give you another money. The one I gave you before, what were you able to achieve with it? Only coming back here to tell me a cock and bull story. Accept that offer.
Papa, it's okay now. Papa, you don't have to tell him or remind him of this now. That's in the past. Don't remind him of it.
Then let him stop provoking me with his suggestions.
After all I passed through in Lagos.
Papa, I want to ask, if you actually understand what is happening here, we have only 6 months. 6 good months to go. Papa, if by 6 months you don't have 10 million naira to pay, you're going to lose the land without anything to show for it. Both land or both money, you won't have anyone.
So what are you insinuating?
Papa, you're still asking me. Oh yeah, tell me something. Is it that this 10 million naira you have it and you kept it somewhere? Show us the location of that money. Let us understand. Let us see it. Then we can be relaxed like you.
Uju, stop being childish. If I had that money, I would have paid that idiot long time ago and stop all this embarrassment.
Then Papa, this your hope is really strong. Oh. You see this hope you're storing? I need it too. Because I don't understand how you're only talking out of hope. Out of hope alone. It's not like you have money. 6 months is almost here.
Uju, ask him. Oh, that's the same question I'll be asking.
Similar question you have been asking. I have hope. Agunaya, my son, will be still in South Africa. Okay. I have hope.
Okay.
South Africa.
Hey.
Who is that I'm seeing?
Hey.
Who is approaching us?
Hey, this walking way is familiar, like Eze's type. When that day he came back, isn't that Obi? See the way he's walking, the way Eze was walking.
It cannot be Obi.
Hey.
Hey.
Welcome.
Obi.
Obi.
Hey.
Hey.
Obi, what happened?
Obi. Hey.
Welcome.
That was how the agent duped me. In fact, Papa, that agent was a fake agent. In fact, the idiot that introduced me to the agent was equally fake.
Hey!
Yes, sir. Papa, as a matter of fact, across along, I didn't even step my feet in South Africa. I've been in Ajangbadi roaming about.
Hey! Chineke!
Ajangbadi. When I was even in Alaba.
Alaba?
My brother, I suffered. I suffered.
Maybe in the competition. That means I'm better than both of you. Me that stayed back in the village, I'm better than you both.
You were in Alaba?
I was in Alaba.
Alaba Nkai.
My brother, I suffered. I suffered.
And we didn't
Hey! Hey! Hello, man.
Lagos. Lagos.
My land.
What is it?
Igwe have sent you to come and invite me so that he can mock me.
No, Mazi, I'm not here for that. I'm here to give you a parcel of information that will elevate your family from pit to palace.
From pit to palace.
And what is it?
That land that you use as a collateral to borrow money from Anoshie, he is now making use of that land to build filling station for himself. Is that why you hurried down here? Eh? Who told you we are here to know? I can't be so foolish just to come down here and joke with you. Mazi, we shan't go off Mahangwageya. Or the very, 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 very important. Crude oil has been found in your land.
Crude oil. I hope you are not joking.
I repeat again, Mazi. Crude oil has been found in your land.
Crude oil.
I won't be joking. I'm sure of my information.
No, don't tell another person.
Poverty na disease, if you no get him money, you no go get him out. If you no get money, nothing for you.
Papa, I said it earlier. What did I get? Because you gave me come on 5 million naira. I got to Lagos, I couldn't make it. See, look at all of us. Obi, look at you. Uju, what have you done? Papa, we have all failed. Because you gave me come on 5 million naira. I can't even rest. When I was in Lagos, I suffered.
Hey, God.
I suffered. I labored. Was it my fault? Was it my fault I couldn't make it? I hawk everything hawkable. I hawk pure water. I hawk gala.
You hawk gala, you hawk pure water. They get 5 million. Is it 5 million they used to use and hot gala? Why did Papa you have given him 1,000 naira to go there and hot gala and pure water with 5 million naira? You're not ashamed of yourself.
Look at you. South Africa burger. South Africa. If I go to South Africa, my pocket will be filled with money.
You
My
that
pocket will
you
be
that
filled
went
with
to
money. Look
Alaba.
at you.
Didn't you see
Look at
billionaires
you.
in Alaba there? Didn't you see billionaires in Alaba? Didn't you see them?
I hustle.
This
Uju,
one, you would have stayed
I
back, Obi.
suffered.
Obi, you'd have
Papa,
stayed back and be
I wish you knew me when I was in Lagos. I hawk everything hawkable. I hawk everything hawkable. Pure water, gala, I hawk everything.
Papa,
Was it my fault?
You are giving him 1,000 naira to go.
Was it my fault?
Since 5 million. When you give somebody 5 million, he goes to city and hawks gala.
Keep on
You are
blaming me.
giving him
Keep on
1,000
blaming
naira.
me.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
You are this. Say you are that. Say you are this.
Hey God. What are we going
Look at Uju. What have you done? Are your maid not in their husband's house? What are you doing here?
Can you be a husband? You people went to the city. Me, I did not step out of this gate, but I'm looking healthy and fatter. Papa, he took my school back to Lagos. Where is it? You came back with Ghana must go. Did you sell it? You're not ashamed of yourself.
26 years.
Chey, look how
No
26.
husband.
You call how 39 years? Nothing. Nonsense.
Is Obi married?
Uju, atụrụ m efuru gba aka nwa.
Ịgbakwa aka, Papa. Ịgbakwa aka o. But Papa, am I part of it?
Mba, so.
Ịgba nna aka ebe nwa aka anọ. These ones. Ezigbo ịgba aka.
In here is 15 million naira. You see, people respect me for my generosity and forgiving spirit, coupled with kindness and respect for humanity. After the day you came crawling, begging, and shedding tears, I had a remorse and felt pity. So after putting one or two into consideration, I came in a conclusion to help you, because as my uncle, you deserve my assistance more than any other person. So I brought this big bag to wipe away your tears, so you can say goodbye to that land.
You said goodbye? If you are waiting to hear that from me, you will never hear it.
Exactly.
And for your information, my tears have already been wiped. I don't need you or your dirty money to wipe my tears. Now let me warn you, whatever you are doing on that land, stop it right now and wait for 6 months. If I'm unable to pay you, then you can come back and possess it. For now, it's my land and you have no access to it.
It is now crystal clear that you are a stubborn and an ungrateful old man. If you step your feet on that land again, I will make sure you spend the rest of your life in jail.
Anoche or whatsoever you call yourself. Look, I won't have you insult our father in our own very presence. Never! Oh. You think we don't know you? You think we don't know you're a ritualist? Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Whatever you are thinking or whatever your plans are concerning that land, please stay clear. You think we don't know that there is crude oil on that land? You think we don't know? Well, let me tell you. Over our dead body, shall we allow you possess that land?
You said over your dead body, right? Yes. We shall see.
We shall see.
Take your ritual money alongside with you.
Take your
Please carry your money.
You follow him.
Ritualist.
Look at them.
You think you have money?
Better go and look for something.
Boy.
I don't even know if you used to read that time as cream.
Hi.
Let me see your leg in that land again.
Just look at him.
You thought you were ignorant. You want to be a good man. I want to wipe tears. Go and wipe your own tears. You will be the one crying now. Don't use that your 50 million to wiping tears. Clean that shit.
Easy. If we manage the oil in that land, then we'll be able to make enough money to pay Anoze, even double times the money he gave to us. Before 6 months.
Yes, I know. I know that crude oil yield a lot of money.
Of course.
The problem is how to get the right contact required for it.
Johnson, hold it there, hold it there, hold it there. Get him! Hold it there.
Madam, don't move. Officer.
Obi!
Get it, where's he?
Officer, what's the
Let's
problem?
move this man. Move this man.
What's
move
the problem?
Okay, move.
What's the
Okay,
problem?
move.
Officer!
Move. Are you okay?
Officer!
Move this man. Are you okay?
Obi!
Move.
Obi, Papa!
You're calling your father. You're a
Papa!
fool.
Papa!
Move. Okay, move.
Officer, calm down now. Obi!
Move it.
Papa!
Yes, I saw some bricklayers there. They are laying blocks on the land, Papa.
Laying blocks on my land?
Yes.
Who asked them to do that?
I don't know. I'm sure it's Edochie. Edochie is the one that sent them. In fact, that's what I heard.
That's it, George.
Yes.
I will not take it. This enough is enough.
Papa,
I want you to know how. I will hear from you. I will not take it. Never.
If you no get money, nothing for you.
Anoche, how dare you send those boys to lay block on my land when the contract we have for 6 months has not expired? What do you want from me? You have locked up my 2 sons. What do you want from me, Anoche?
Agbaraka Nazani. Onye Gigi Anakonye. Stay away from me. Leave my presence at once. Leave my compound and never return. If you feel I cheated you, go to court and I will meet you there.
Anoche, you want to press me with your economic power. This is not over yet. It is not over yet, Anoche. You want to press me.
Boys,
Anoche.
bundle this investor out of my presence. What is wrong with you?
Okay.
Take him out of this place.
Anoche, it's not over yet. Anoche, it's not over. Not over yet.
What is that reaction for? Are you feeling for him? Better. Pastor, here are the 7 used condoms for the past 7 days.
Great Latif. Great Latif. The great Latifa has accepted your sacrifice. He has promised to make you more famous and wealthy. Soon, the people of Imoko Kingdom will bow before you for food. Always favor them with the destiny of its citizens, for they shall never dictate the secret to your wealth for the rest of their lives.
Thank you, Grandmaster. Thank you, Oracle.
Remember your sacrifice. In the next 31 days, your wife great Latin.
Make way for the Savior. Make way for the Savior. Oi. He got so much fame, so much power, so much money and so much God. Hey, he's a savior. He's a, hey, make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior. Ah, make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior. Ah, he's the light of the community, great son of the soil. Odogu, Ochendu, one of Imoko. Hey, he got the money, he got the fame, he got the connect in all the way. No one can test, he got it all.
I think I've noticed because you came back with a big luggage. You see, this is what I was trying to avoid. I was trying to advise you to get pregnant, conceive for him. Now it's almost impossible for you to get your mother-in-law's I'm a woman and I know how it works.
It's not my fault. I'm trying for my best, but it's not working.
You didn't try hard. Put more effort. Try harder.
Make way for the Savior. Make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior. He's the light of the community, great son of the soil. Odogu, Ochendu, one of Imoko. Hey, he got the money, he got the fame.
Where is the princess?
She just left the compound.
No one can test, he got it all. Hey, he's the great son of the soil.
So what are you making for dinner? You can't spend the whole day watching television and expect me to do the cooking and the house chores for you.
Ella, do you remember that I am the princess of this kingdom?
Sorry to disappoint you, my dear. Here isn't your father's palace. Here is our husband's house. And you never considered your position as the princess of this kingdom before making yourself so available and so cheap for the position of a second wife.
Ella, if you don't dish my food now, you will surely taste my rocks.
You have something called rot in that of useless mouth. I have been so desperate and I cannot wait to taste your useless rocks. Really? Really? You have such nerves, such boldness and audacity. How dare you?
I want you to dish the food right now.
You must be very, very soon.
Dish the food!
You must be very, very soon. I'll slap you again. The king we are about this nonsense.
Welcome, loyal servant of great Latifa. Latifa is pleased with the performance. Your descendants will inherit the land of Imoko Kingdom.
I beg your pardon, Grandmaster. What descendant are you talking about? I was rendered impotent the very first day I was initiated into this brotherhood.
For it's too difficult to understand the ways of the great Latin. Step forward for your ultimate sacrifice. Great Latin. Great Latin. Great Latin. Great Latin.
Excuse me, young lady. Go get yourself another seat. I want to sit on the one you're on.
Are you talking to me? Ella, I don't think so. You can go ahead and talk to the person you're talking to because it's obvious you are not talking to me.
I see.
I saw.
Are you not the person I'm talking to? Princess! 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 Somebody please! Somebody please come and help me! Princess! Stop! Princess! Princess! Somebody please help me! Somebody please come and help me! I did not do anything! I just want that! Please! Help me, please! Please help me! Please!
It has been 1 month now. And Obi is nowhere to be found. And all the elders had backed Anochi, authorizing him to start exploiting the oil in that land. Hey!
Ha! I even heard that in 2 weeks' time, he will start extracting and exploiting the oil in the land. Papa, if we had known, I would have collected this 50 million naira. Now we are going to lose out completely. Completely, Papa. Completely. Eh?
What is he doing in this compound again? What is he doing in this compound?
You should come and go. We don't want you here. Maybe he has taken everything.
Papa, Obi is back. Uju, I am back. Papa, Obi wanga batako. Ebuteko mi ike.
Obi,
where malaka? Papa, I am back.
Obi,
who owns the car? You collect
whose car is this? And whose shoe are you wearing?
Why are you looking
Papa,
like
you mean the car?
Yes.
This is just one of my automobiles.
Stop all this joke.
Stop
Better
now.
return this shoe and this. I don't want trouble. Let us suffer only the one we are.
Everything you see with me all belongs to me. Ebutego mo ego.
Obi wama batako ego.
Papa ebutego mi ike.
Obi.
See phones
Papa,
inside.
take a look at me.
Hey!
Take a look at your son.
Obi what? Obi ka motogi.
Papa,
them.
I have the machines in the city.
Hey!
Yes, so.
Obi wama batako ego.
Ebutego mi ike mpa.
Obi wama batako ego.
Mpe ebutego mi ike.
Obi wama ego.
Papa, wait, let me see. Obi, this guy is your car.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Inside the gumbo.
Papa, ositata adiba mma. Odiba agbo. Ife adiba go mma. Onwenye maka na this community abuta. Ka amalo nnekwu mmanwụ gbata n'ọgbọ.
come on, Piam, I will also.
So, brother, are you saying that if we beat you now, beat everywhere, everything, even sell all this your clothes, sell the bag, the car, that we can make 10 million naira to solve our problem? The only problem we have. 10 million.
What is 10 million naira? I know you now. Ujunwa chipu change ka go ezigbo. What is 10 million naira? Papa, as a matter of fact, I have enough money to solve our bills and other problems.
Hey!
But someone is missing. Where is my brother?
Is he still in the police store? Yes. Up till now, yes.
I don't have any money to pay him.
Banu, I'm getting it out.
Hey!
Papa,
From where and how could he make such amount of money in such a short time? How? How could he? No, I don't understand it, son.
Mother, where is? He may have returned to South Africa and sold one of his kidneys, which will lead him to an untimely death, and I will mastermind it. A lion remains a lion. Not even an elephant can chase a lion out of the jungle. I must possess that oil land, or hairs will roll.
Please, darling, let's not shed blood. We already have an oil world in this country. Let not let this one go. Let the rightful owner possess what is theirs. We have enough money to sustain us and our descendants to come.
I mean, who is vomiting this? Can you hear yourself speak? Did you hear your voice? What you're saying? You are sitting just by my son's side and suggesting to us that my son should tolerate that insult from those animals. Right? So that they can now triumph over him and go about spreading the lies that my son is not a coward. Is that what you're saying? My dear, that will never happen. Because I won't allow it to happen.
Rats that I will put in a cage. Mother, there is a reason I love you. Because you are my backbone. Those two rats, I will catch them and put them in a cage and lock them up.
Drop them where they belong.
And I will be feeding them with corn and palm kernel. Useless boys.
Drop them where they belong. Change them up. I know what you can do. What nonsense. Let them see that you've made this money long years before they think about anyone.
Obi money. Baby, Eze. You can't get out of prison.
As in.
Obi money. Papa, this is my brother. Papa, Edochie, he got money. He got money. The money you see that he made, that's just part one. My brother Obi has arrived. This is part two.
In fact, you see this part two? This part two will even be more interesting.
Exactly.
Yes, oh. Obi won mapata go. Obi money. Hey, ego karere. Ego kina ha kwa go Oshimiri.
Papa.
Oshimiri ata.
Oshimiri ata.
Ego karere.
Hey, Oshimiri ata.
You wa bra na ligi ge bu ego.
Papa, you say there's too much money. Oshimiri ata. You want to take this one?
Is she not your daughter?
Allow
her. Allow her. Papa, we have so much money to spend.
My brother.
Papa. But before then, we'll be packing into our new building tomorrow evening.
Bam.
Hey, wo. Aneku, onemekwa. Oneku, oneme. Hey, wo. Too much money.
Papa, bam.
Hey. What of this one? Who will live here?
Uju. Papa, with this my current status quo, living in this building, this shithole,
obedient them.
It's a slap to my money. It's a fucking slap to my money, Papa. Papa, you still don't understand. Papa, another major occasion. My name may be Fego. Sleep Papa, another major occasion. My name may be Fego.
Obi, where are you go? Let me tell you something. You see, Anoche, I haven't started with him. Eh?
Anoche Ochendo. Are you surprised?
Now listen to me and listen real good. I'm old enough to know the difference between camouflage and reality. Take this carton you came with out of my compound before coming to ask for assistance like you always do. Because I will not fall prey to this your tactics. Neither will I lend you money if that is the reason for the camouflage.
Anoche Ochendo. The one who poses himself as the god of Imoko Kingdom. See, you made money, but you lack 3 things.
Wisdom, understanding, and God.
Tell him, Papa. If you were wise and understanding enough, you should have been able to differentiate camouflage and reality. Most importantly, you lack God and not familiar with his words. If you were close to your Bible, you should have known the world revolves. Another man today, another man tomorrow. No man reigns forever.
You charlatans. You came to my compound to challenge me. How dare you? And you? Why didn't you look at these riffraffs before allowing them into my compound? You should have gone to the car and check who is in the car before allowing them into this place. You, I will deal with all of you. Idiots!
Mr. Man, why are you ranting? Why are you making a hell of noise? Men that do don't talk. In here is $420,000. And it is 20 times the 10 million naira you gave to us a year 7 months ago. And to be returned in 2 years. Mpokwe? Now we've brought them to you in full. And as well to inform you never to step your filthy legs on that land. Else, you have my wrath to face.
Papa, you don't have time. Toby, next time you poke this your filthy fingers at my face again, eat you alive. Get out of my compound.
This was one of my boys. I have to. You can't do anything.
Looking at them, poking, pointing fingers on me, and you're here standing. Igwe, two rats came out from their hiding place and they are parading everywhere in Imoko community. They have reason to fight a lion in its territory. A territory he has sustained for years. Igwe, they are making rubbish of my name. Trying to draw my reputation to the mud. A reputation I worked so hard, I suffered so hard to build over the years. Igwe, they even brought insults to my house. Anoche. Igwe, I'm talking of no other person but those two sons of Maziofo. But as a traditionalist who respects tradition, I have decided to come to you, Igwe, to call them to order. Igwe, I want you to talk to them. Call them to order. If not, this community will be in a state of pandemonium, whereby they will no longer enjoy the peace they've been enjoying in this place. Trust me.
I am not doubting you. You know, you have been so great and you've been a wonderful figure in this community. And the entire community appreciates that. But I am not disputing the fact that you are a respecter of tradition. But I will urge you to extend the same respect to human rights. The two sons of Fofo has nothing unjust against you. According to them, they say that they have paid you 20 times the money you lent them a year and 7 months ago. 2 years is yet to elapse. In that case, I will urge you to take off your hands from that land so that they will reclaim their property back.
I can't believe you uttered this word from your mouth. After all I have done for you, after all I've done for this community, is this how you're going to repay me?
Anoche, remove the community out from this. We are talking about human rights. For the fact that you've done so much for this community does not give you the certificate to intimidation. I have spoken.
Igwe, I do not care how much those rats must have given you. Igwe, you will pay for everything you have done to me. Trust me. Igwe, I will make you spend the rest of your days in misery. Igwe, you will call for death and I will take it far away from you. Trust me. What?
Oh, not you. You're still a small boy. Don't forget that I am still Igwe Ogidiga, one of Imoko Kingdom. No one threatens me. No one threatens the Igwe Ogidiga.
Fear not, my king. For now, you have tread on the right path, my king. May you live long, my king.
It shall be well with you.
Make way for the Savior. Make way for the Savior. Oi. He got so much fame, so much power, so much money and so much God. Hey, he's a savior. He's the, hey, make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior. Make way for the Savior. Hey, make way for the Savior.
How dare you rats block my way?
Anoche Ochendo. We meet again. You see, for long now, only your car and the one you bought for the king have been the only cars plying through this route. But you know what? We are here to change the narrative. I just want to remind you, you cannot and you can never be the only head that own a car in this community. Get that into your skull.
You little rat. You little rat has bitten more than you can chew. Now you listen to me. If you think bribing the Igwe is enough for you to win this battle, I will tell you it's a lie. You get me? Before you saw your first 1 million naira, I have been swimming and trading in billions. Before you rats started swimming in a stream, I have been swimming in mighty oceans. Before you saw fame, both of you, I have been famous for decades. Now let me warn you. I will not consider the fact that both of you are my cousins if you trade my path again.
That have changed.
Anoche, clap for yourself. The souls of Imoko and the innocent wombs of the maidens of our land, which you've rendered useless, will come knocking for you. For years now, you've been the only one swimming in affluence, fame, riches in Imoko Kingdom. But today, I am here to put an end to it. I am here to run you down. The head of the princess, which you sacrificed, was equally a big catch. I commend you for that. But I tell you, you will never go scot-free.
I am Ochendu. I am the umbrella that covers the entire Imoko community. And you are my subject. I am the lion. Know that.
But you forget something. Now let me tell you. No matter how fast a lion can run, it can never be faster than a cheetah. And no matter how fat the lion thinks it is, of course it can never cover an elephant. Anoche, I want it one of Imoko Kingdom. It's your invisible calamity. I am your doom. And by the time I finish with you, you know why I am called your Onwa.
I will cut off your throat and I will feed you to the crocodile. Watch me.
You lie. Anoche, you lie.
He's the light of the community, great son of the soil. Odogu, Ochendu, one of Imoko. Hey, he got the money, he got the fame, he got the connect in all the way. No one can test, he got it all. Hey, he's the great son of the soil. Make way for the savior.
You told me that I will reign supreme in the land of Imoko. You said I will be unchallengeable, that no man born of a woman will ever rise to fame.
As he has sworn in the secret ocean of immortal. he has sacrificed himself to liberate the people of Imoko. He is only living for the sake of the Imoko people. He made a powerful sacrifice, and if yours must match his sacrifice, you must sacrifice a great head.
The great head. Grandmaster, what is the great head?
As questions, Samuchi. As questions. Great Latif. Great Latif.
Great head. Great head. Great head. Great head. What does that mean? Great head.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
What is wrong with you?
Scott!
Boss.
Sylvester!
Yes, boss.
Take me out of here.
Young man, good day.
How are you?
Fine. So who are you and who are you looking for?
I want to see the king.
What's your name?
I'm coming.
What's your name? I'm
I
asking
said
you.
I want to see the king.
What for? What's your name?
Hey!
Boss. Boss. The future is not bright. How do you mean? No, boss. You are double cross. Where is the king's head? The Igwe was kidnapped this evening. What the heck are you telling me? Didn't I fortify you people? Don't you have guns to kill whoever you want to kill? What's the meaning of that? Boss, we did our best. What best did you do? What best did you do? I sent you on a mission and you...
My brother, I called you out here because I have something important to discuss with you.
More ears and speak up.
Why have you decided not to introduce me to your line of business? I want to be a man of my own. I want to stand as a man that I am. Instead of me driving the car you bought for me, I want to buy my own car. I am a man, for God's sake.
Yes, I'm sorry, I can't.
If I may ask why? You are my brother. Don't forget that.
Yes, you are my brother. Soon, you will inherit my wealth.
Inherit your wealth?
Oh yes. And you will be able to enjoy them in peace. Just the way I am not able to.
And you are getting me more confused about this.
Promise me you will keep everything I'm going to tell you. So I'm not alone.
I promise. Whatever we're going to discuss here will remain between us. And no ear will hear about it.
Alright. Take it. I'll tell you all you need to know.
My king. My king. Let's not cry anymore. I know it's very bad seeing the king in this condition. But nothing happens without the approval of the gods. And in every situation we find ourselves, let's give thanks to God Almighty. He knows the best, my king.
This is the third time you're saying this, despite all my warnings. This time around, you are not going to go scot-free. Gods!
Yes, my king.
I'm sorry. Take this idiot to the prison house. In 7 days' time, he will be served to the vultures.
No, my king.
I speak.
No, my king.
Take him
No,
away.
my king. My king, no. No, my king, I'm seeing beyond, my king.
Oh,
I'm seeing beyond, my king. I'm seeing beyond, my king. My king.
Anochi, what is the problem? Do you want to die? The great Latifa might be merciful and kind to his loyal servants, but brutal when provoking. Do you want to test the wrath of the great Latifa?
Grandmaster, I don't. Grandmaster, I don't. Grandmaster, as I am now, I am ready to sacrifice the heads of anybody from Imoko Kingdom, including the head of the chief priest. Yes, I can do that. But not the head of a woman that gave birth to me. A woman that carried me for 9 months, nurtured me from juvenile to a teenager, and now to an adult. Grandmaster, please. I cannot sacrifice her head. Neither can I sacrifice the head of a girl who sacrificed her parents' wealth for me to stand as a man. A girl that was disowned because of me. Even at the point of death, his relatives never wanted to see her. Grandmaster, please. Please. Grandmaster, you know how faithful I am to this temple. Grandmaster, you know I've been a loyal servant. Please, help me.
Your loyalty is endowed. I'm not disputing that fact. But we have rules and regulation. In the temple of Great Latif, you brought a deformed man. You have 30 days to perform the ultimate sacrifice, or you die.
What kind of calamity has befallen our land? How can the Igwe be kidnapped again for the second time in 2 days after his ear was chopped off? Yeah? You call yourself a palace guard. Where is the Igwe? So the Igwe was kidnapped and you're still here. That is if I sell you, you will remain sad. And you, Akwobi, where is the Igwe?
We don't know his whereabouts.
You don't know his whereabouts. So you are guarding an empty throne. You don't know where your Igwe is. I will come back to you people. I will come back to you people.
Oh no. I warned Igwe. I warned him several times, but he wouldn't listen. I warned him from supporting those boys against Anochie, but he wouldn't listen.
Ndoka. So, where is your statement heading to? That the gods have forsaken Igwe for saying the truth? Or are you justifying the fact that Anochie kidnapped our Igwe for signing the truth?
Yeah? Ichiarus, did you just say that? Did you just say that Anochie kidnapped our Igwe? Anochie, a true son of the soil, who has been solving the problem of the community, a God sent to this community. I am surprised at you. Anyway, I was not here when you said all this.
Oh no. You may decide to say whatever that enters your mouth. Anything you want to say, you say it. You may choose not to be here. But I, Ichi Arose, I will not hide from saying the truth.
Bia.
Wait.
Bia.
Wait. The fact that he is the savior of this community does not give him the right or the impetus to intimidate people on the right. So what are we saying?
Are you the one talking like this? Are you the one, after what Anochie has done for this community, are you the one talking like this?
Yeah. Woka.
Aye.
It's like you have been collecting money from those boys. No wonder. I have seen you twice coming out from their gate. See you.
Ndoka. Swambombo. I don't hide visiting places. Unlike you that sneak in and out of Anochie's house. Do you think eyes are not seeing you? Kangwage. Ana hochage. Piom in a piom.
Change your ways. The only advice I will give you is to change your ways. You know what Anochie has done for this community. Now you're pitching your tent against him.
I'm not against him.
The Igwe will come back.
Arusi. Ichi Arusi.
I have called you 3 times.
Even if you like, you call it 7 times. I don't care.
Mind your ways. Because when why not Chongwa?
I can see you.
Open the door, open the door. Let him break the door. It's part of his work. This is a word of wisdom.
Now I believe that what the gods did not know does not happen. Having been that the first kidnapper who kidnapped me and made me deformed did not even take anything from me, by now I would have been a dead man.
God,
my king, go and release Obinna from the prison room. Go immediately. Henceforth is going to be the king's personal advisor. And he will be enjoying all the special benefits in this palace.
Make way for the Savior. Make way for the Savior. Oi. He got so much fame, so much power, so much money, and so much God. Hey, he's a savior. He's a, hey, make way for the savior. Hey, make way for the savior. Ah, make way for the savior. Hey. Make way for the Savior. He's the light of
Agunaya. Isn't it? Both of you have really made me proud. You have proven to Anochi that what makes a man is just not his height, but what makes a great man lives inside of him. No, dogo ne pempe.
Yes, and I noticed that Anochi has been slimming down recently. Who noticed?
Of course. Of course, he should slim down. This is just the beginning. And by the time I am done with him, he will understand that saying that "Nnukwu mmọnwụ bata n'ọgbọ, ụmụ mpịọmpịọ mmọnwụ awala ọsọ."
And as a matter of fact, Papa, I am planning on taking the Onwa chieftaincy title. Oh yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Would you?
Alongside Eze, my brother. I, Onwa 1, Eze, Onwa 2. Oh yes. Just in order to counter that Uchendu little title, I don't care.
Everywhere.
What is it now? You don't look happy.
As you can see, I'm fine.
I'm just thinking about the past. How God suddenly elevated us to where we are now.
It's all a miracle. We ought to appreciate.
We ought to appreciate.
You understand?
Only God.
This is a miracle, and only God can do it.
Only God.
Do not let the thought of my faith bother you so much. It's all for good.
Obi, why? Why? You went too far.
I know. But it's all for the sake of the family and for the entire kingdom. Someone needed to step up for this sacrifice, and I'm glad I did. Eze, make sure my name goes down on record and reveal the entire secret when I'm gone.
I will. I will make you proud, wherever you may be. Trust me.
How can the Igwe make such a decision?
Oh no, Obaramgare. How could our Igwe do this? How could we give chieftaincy title to those boys that never done anything in this our community? And he give them only chief title.
The highest title of the land.
Hi.
Do you know what? I think the Igwe has collected a whooping sum of money from these boys for him to speak from the wrong side of his mouth, including Ichie Arusi.
You are right, or no? You are right. How could our Igwe, the king, forgot what Anochi have done in this our community, our local community? How?
Ichie Nduka, don't worry. I know for sure that one day the big breeze will blow and the chicken's anus will be exposed. I am saying so.
I know.
Mark my word.
You are right. Let us wait and see.
Let us wait and see.
He's the light of the community, great son of the soil. Odogu, Ochendu, one of Imoko.
You've been like this for over 3 weeks now. You hardly eat nor communicate with anyone. What is wrong? Talk to me, I'm here for you.
Ella, I want to be left alone.
You've been wishing to be left alone for over 3 weeks now. Yet the problem is not solved. Is it about the land? I told you to allow those boys have it while you enjoy your peace. I know food is a lot of money, but you have assets already. Why not hold on to them and let this one go? That land has sparked divided opinions about you in the community. People are wondering if you're truly who you pretend to be. Few are calling you a traitor and others are calling you a greedy billionaire who doesn't want anyone to rise to fame so only you can be worshipped. All these opinions are because of that land. Why not let it go so you can correct those impressions and maintain the good dignity that you suffered so hard for years to build?
Ella, I don't want to repeat myself. I said I want to.
Make way for the Savior. He's the light of the community, great son of the soil. Odogu, Ochendu, one of Imoko. Hey, he got the money, he got the fame, he got the connect in all the way. No one can test, he got it all. Hey, he's the great son of the soil. Make way for the Savior.
He has refused to share what the problem is with me.
So much fame,
It's okay.
so much power,
It's okay.
so much money and so
I'll
much
speak with him.
power.
Okay? Is there any other problem? I'll talk to him, okay?
Make way for the Savior. Make way for the Savior. Hey. Make way for the Savior. He's the light of the community, great son of the soil. Odogu, Ochendu, one of Imoko. Hey, he got the money, he got the fame, he got the connect.
You're still awake. What's going on?
Mother, so many things are beclouding my head. What I'm worried about is beyond your thought and understanding. The evil bird blew all through the night.
What evil bird?
That you cannot understand, Mother.
You're getting me scared, son.
You don't need to worry. Because what you don't know cannot come hunting.
What I don't know would come hunting me. Hey, I cannot believe this. Hey, so this is happening. That my two brothers will be crowned the owner of Imoko Kingdom tomorrow.
Yes.
Hey.
My dear, I'm so happy. You see, since Onoche rose to this his unexplainable wealth, no single youth from this community has ever taken any chieftaincy title. It's not that they don't want it, but none of them has what it takes to ask for a chieftaincy title. My father told me once when he was alive that the Onwa title is one of the most underrated titles in this community. But it's only the elders, especially the elders and council, that knows what it means to bestow that title on any indigene of this community. You know, that even the Onwa title surpasses the Ochendo title if you view it from some direction. Makana, nothing can cover the moon when it's time for it to rise. You see? And another thing I will not forget my father told me is that Onwa title, whoever that persists in taking that title, that he wants to bring light to the community, either one way or the other, directly or indirectly. You understand? So both of you should be ready for that. And some people just want to take the Onwa title because when they call them Onwa, they don't even know what it really means. But the title itself always impose its meaning on whoever that acquires the title. You understand? So I want both of you to be prepared.
And I must tell you, your father was never far from the truth.
Thank you, Papa. My greatest happiness is that the light is finally on our doorstep.
Exactly, I'm so happy. In fact, Onoche doesn't come for all.
Hey, my brothers.
Papa.
Ichie.
Thank you so much.
Ichie.
I want to do that.
Ichie.
I want to do that.
Ichie.
What could you get?
Okay, G. Bakrepo. Odogu. Agazi. Okay. Odogu. Thank you for everything. Papa, I hope you all are enjoying yourselves. You're not drinking. Take something.
We have enough in the house.
Okay. You're fine, right?
We're fine. We're fine.
My people, Papa, Ichie. This call for a powerful celebration.
Yes.
Let's have fun, drink, and merry.
Please, Grandmaster, please. Please, please. I don't want to die. Please. Please. Grandmaster, please. Please. Please.
You can hide from me.
Please.
Lie. Then you committed your soul to the people what the day you made
Please.
yourself ever visible to him.
Please don't kill me, please. Grandmaster, I'm sorry. Grandmaster, please. Please. Grandmaster, please. I cannot sacrifice my mother. She's so dear to me. I cannot sacrifice my wife. I love you. Dear mother, please don't kill me. Hey, please. Please. Ah! 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 What is it?
Hey! Oh, Jesus! Ah! What's going on? Ah! What's going on? What's going on? Yani, what's going on? What's going on? What is that? We're not seeing anything. What's that? What are you seeing? Oracle. 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 I can't say stop this. You're scaring me. Which one is the Oracle? Which Oracle? Which Oracle? Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Stop. Stop, please. Please, I beg you, please. Hey! Chapel! I'm not good. I don't check, man. No. No. Hey! Oh, wake up! Get up! Please wake up. My strength! Hey! Wake up now!
Papa. Uju, my sister. We don't need to worry too much about the demise of Obi. I knew it was going to happen because he told me.
He told you what?
It was all for our good.
What are you talking about?
Obi sacrificed his life for the good of this community.
Obi,
why did you people tell me anything? What did Obi do? I lost my son. I would die. My great son. Anochie Odogunwa. Agonwa. Hi! The great Iroko is falling. My seed. My daughter is okay. It's okay, Mom, okay? Wipe your tears. We will survive it. We will survive. Who called you?
I came immediately I heard about Anochie's death. Anochie planted a seed in me years ago.
What seed are you talking about? No, what seed are you talking about? Do you mean that my son made love to you and you took it for him and beget this child?
Yes,
for my son? Thank you for bringing my son back. Anochie is back. Anochie is back. Anochie is back. Welcome back. My son, everything your father has made belongs to you. Abba, Mama. All his property is now yours. If I hear more one word from you, I will send you out of this house. Look at the part-time relationship has produced me, son. You had him full-time. You could not produce even with water, miscarriage. Complain every time, complain. And you complained my son to death. How about Mama? You are the part-time person. You are the part-time woman. This one belongs to you and your son. Sit well and comfortably. I cry no more. I cry no more. I cry no more. Anochie is back. I want no more.
Onye na-enwele ego na-ebu